look around the room.
We saw 1,500 students from all around the world, and it marked the beginning of 4 intense days full of meeting new people, negotiation, and finding resolutions. Here, students don't just learn about diplomacy, they live it.
Our preparation started months before New York. It wasn't enough to know our assigned country's policies. We had to become them. Research, writing, negotiating, strategy, it was a full transformation. We wrote position papers, documents that outlined our country's stances on pressing issues. We trained in public speaking, mastering the art of persuasion under pressure, and we practiced the formal rules of procedure, points of order, motions, yielding time. Every move had meaning.
The largest Model United Nations, or NMUN, is not just another conference. Since 1927, the largest and most respected UN simulation in the world takes place in New York City. Every year, participants from more than 100 UN members gather to address real-world challenges: climate change, human rights, sustainable development, global security. NMUN mirrors the procedures, structures, and spirit of the real United Nations.
What you will learn is that diplomacy is not about speaking the most, it's about listening best and being inclusive, finding common ground, building bridges across cultures, ideologies, and personalities.
I think what is special about Model United Nations is the chance for young leaders to get together and express how they want to achieve the future that they deserve.
So what is the conference exactly like? Each participant is assigned to a committee, ranging from Security Council to the General Assembly, and they must embody the interests and the diplomatic style of their country throughout every discussion. The conference follows strict formal rules, from the opening roll call to suspension of the meeting, and every moment is structured to mirror real United Nations procedures. Delegates must work together, form alliances, and find compromises to achieve consensus for their working paper.
For me personally, I have never been to New York City before, and wow! From visiting the Statue of Liberty and running in Central Park in the morning, to having the opportunity to step out of my comfort zone and speak in front of 200 people for the first time. Looking back, this was truly rewarding, a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Looking back, it was a truly heartfelt experience, from opening a roll call to a German of the meeting to 2026. We are all grateful for everything and hope to see you there next year.